Hey Facebook. Hi guys. Ladies, how's everybody doing this evening? Hope everybody had a fantastic hump day. I am Amy. I have been trying to just take care of the house a lot today, focused on that, and I use that word right off the bat, is focus, because my word of 2018 is focus. I am the worst. Well, I don't know if I'm the worst, but I will set a goal for myself and then I just let so many things get in the way because I kind of lose focus. And I'm not ADHD or anything like that. I didn't have those issues in school. But when it comes to real life and being a mom and being here and there, I feel like a lot of the time I'm just like winging it, like on the go, kind of a mess. So I really want to get out of that habit, and I want to start to feel like I'm having a little bit more focus in what I'm doing and more direction, and have things to be a little bit better planned and have the goal in mind and not lose that focus. So I think that it's going to be a really great year. Really looking forward to seeing everything that's going to come out of this year and just enjoy it as much as possible, because I think a lot of the time I'm just so worried about, I'm easily distracted too, Stacy. And that's a lot of the reason why I probably shouldn't look at my comments when I'm doing these videos, because I totally lose focus and I get sucked into what you guys are saying, which I love because then I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. But this business takes so much attention. Okay, I started in network marketing, like a year and 4 months ago, and it really wasn't going to be like this full-time kind of snowball effect for me. It was really just to bring back a little bit of my confidence, help me kind of get out of that like mom rut of just wearing sweatpants every day and not wearing makeup, 5-6 days out of the week. And I really wanted to just start to feel normal again, like I was a beautiful woman. And another reason that I had joined was because I really wanted to find a skincare regimen that I could stick with, that I could see results from, and that I wouldn't feel bad about putting chemicals on my skin. So I really had all these things come into play, and then I just really wanted to start helping other women find products that work for them. The makeup is awesome. The skincare is awesome. Hands down, like the best stuff I've ever used. But beyond that, I started to see that I could help women gain confidence in themselves, that I could help inspire women to start their own business for themselves, and to take it beyond just a hobby, but to make it into a full-time career or a side hustle that made them some serious cash. And like I said, it wasn't the vision for me at first. It really wasn't. I thought I would do it for a while, and if I love the products, and I would just continue getting a discount. And how awesome would that be? Like nothing beyond that. But my sponsor, my direct upline, Jenny Evans, she was so amazing to me in the beginning. She saw something in me, and she used something called strategic placement. And this is something that may not be unique to Limelight by Alcone, but strategic placement is when you see something in somebody and you want to help them kind of build a team for the benefit of them and for your own benefit. And so with that, I was really able to flourish. And to be completely honest, I don't know that I would be as far along in my career here in network marketing if I hadn't had somebody who believed in me like that. And so that's what I'm trying to give back. So when I am adding team members and people are coming to me to be a part of my team, I really want to be able to help them achieve whatever goal that they're seeking within Limelight. And I think that being a stay-at-home mom, a lot of my focus and time. Hi, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much. And if you care to share, I would love and appreciate that. And just, I thank you for tuning in, even if it's just for a second, just to say hi or give me a thumbs up. I love that. I just wanted to, so being a stay-at-home mom, see, my mind just like loses focus so quick. I feel like all day long, like I'm reacting to what my toddler is doing. She's 2.5 now, and she's starting to listen a little bit. But I feel like this year I'm really just gonna try and give her a little bit more structure, because she's able to take on a little bit of directions at this point. And, you know, she's gonna be going to preschool, not this year, I don't think, but in the coming years. And I think that now she's at an age where I can give her little tasks. Like today I set up a little painting for her, a little, you know, craft box that she could paint, and she did a really good job. She kept it pretty clean, didn't draw and paint all over the furniture or her little table, because it was at her kid table. But I felt like it was okay to step away and do some work while I'm still keeping an eye on her. But sometimes I feel like I'm dividing my attention so often, and I know we all feel like that. We all have this kind of feeling like we're chicken with our head cut off, and we're just running around in circles and never knowing which direction we're going to go next. And I just want to start to feel like I have a little bit more forethought and sight into where I'm going and what I'm doing, and to do it with more purpose. And so that's why I chose focus for my word of 2018. And I hope that I will be able to continue to focus on this and to share with you guys a little bit about how I'm progressing, how I feel like I'm doing at, you know, using this in a whole sense in my whole entire life. And so that's a little bit about that. I did want to just pop on and, you know, talk a little bit also about my weekend. So at this point, the Saguaro Tribe, which is my beautiful and amazing team, is the last time I looked at my office, probably 104 women strong, and I'm so excited. Like, how did that happen? How does that happen where you just start at something and you think, oh, this is going to be a really fun hobby, and then a year later you have 100 women on your team, and it's just mind-blowing, because I can say that I really get so much out of this, and I am benefiting so much from this, you know, this career that I've started, or this hobby that I've turned into a career, and without even realizing it. But with that, it takes hard work. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of long nights and a lot of sacrificing. I can't sit here and tell you that, you know, my life is perfect and I get to make, you know, thousands of dollars every month and I don't have to do anything for it, because that's not true. People who kind of lure that in front of you, who might say, yeah, come and join this opportunity that I have. It's quick cash and you can just make $500 off the bat, and it takes nothing. It takes no work. That's not true. And if it is, then, you know, we're all doing the wrong thing here, because I don't know any business where it takes absolutely zero work, no effort, no long nights, no upfront costs whatsoever. It's just not true. So if somebody's selling you that and you're seriously considering it, I would check yourself, check your facts, because that just doesn't exist, unfortunately. We still live in a world where you have to work very hard for everything you earn. And what you can earn, the potential is absolutely amazing. You can earn so much. You can earn vacations and specialized trainings, free makeup, free products. You can earn just money, a lot of money, flat out. And it's pretty cool. But there's a lot more that you get out of this business than just money and vacation and gifts. You get these women who are going to be your sisters for life. You get to really get to know people on a personal and deep level, and to see what makes them tick and why they are doing what they're doing, and then also to be able to help them grow and to help them see in themselves what we often miss and what we often don't believe is there. So I think that is one of the most amazing things about what I do, is being able to help women see their own potential and then reach it, and then see that light bulb come on and say, wow, I didn't know I could do this, but here I am today, a success. So it's crazy for me. I can talk about this all day, all night. If anybody ever wanted to talk to me about it all day and all night, I'd be happy to. But I think that once people see that the products work really well, then they might start to see that there was an opportunity beyond just using the makeup and beyond using the skincare, because that stuff works. It's amazing. I mean, there's no question about it. But beyond that, it really can turn into something more that offers you a little bit of freedom in life. And I think that that is so worth it. Hey girls, hi ladies, thanks for watching. I think that what you get out of that is just so beyond money. And yes, okay, duh, we all love money. We all want, the fancy bags. I mean, not all of us. Okay, some people don't want that, but me, yeah, I do. I love money. I love having nice things, but I'm not snobby about it. I don't, flash it around. But having those things and earning those things, but what really, 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 really excites me, what really, really just makes me want to get up and do this every day, is the fact that I can give to people as much as they give to me, because I get so much from doing what I do. I get encouragement and support. When I'm feeling the lowest of the low, I have my husband, of course, and my family and my friends, and then I have my extended family, which I would call my Limelight family, because they're there for me day after day after day. I have women who are phenomenal, who are brilliant and gorgeous, who are there to support me no matter what. And it could be totally unrelated to Limelight. It could be that I'm having, an anxious attack, because I have anxiety and I deal with major depression, but I have these people who are in my corner all the time, loving me for who I am, for whatever. And I'm just so thankful that I have found this, that I have found these people who just embrace you, flaws and all. And if I could share this with everybody who comes across my path, and I try to, I would, because it almost makes me cry, like how much I've gained from being a beauty guide. Like, the beauty guide, okay, what's that? But seriously, if you're looking for support, if you're looking for a hobby or a serious kick-ass business that you can make some serious cash, do it. Message me or reach out to somebody who you're already talking to on your Facebook page. If you already have somebody that sells Limelight, girlfriend, you need to talk to her, because the products are going to blow you away. The people are going to blow you away. The compensation is going to blow you away. It's just a win, 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 like all the way around. And yeah, I've had a great experience. I'm sure there's people out there that maybe haven't had the perfect experience, but nobody, not everybody does, and not everybody will, and it's not for everybody. But guess what? It could be for you. Oh my gosh, and how amazing if you found this and you just felt like, click, this is for me, and this is what I want to do, and where has this been all my life? Because that's exactly how I feel. Hey, boo. Yeah, these are the women I'm talking about, who are just amazing, amazing people. Beautiful, like so stunning beauty outside, and then inside it's just like shines. It just blows me away every single day. So, what else did I want to touch on? Speaking of Miss Sarah O'Neill, I'm going to be in Nebraska this weekend. And I'm going to freeze my little tushy off. But I'm super excited because I really will get to meet and sit down with some really amazing women who I'm sure are going to teach me something. And I hope to, you know, be able to teach them something too. And we're just going to, I mean, it's not super formal. We're just going to hang out. And that's, you know, how kind of my comfort zone is. I'm not a great public speaker and I'm a little bit nervous, but I hope that these ladies don't like throw tomatoes at me. I'm just kidding. I know they wouldn't do that. But I'm just excited because this is just so far outside my comfort zone, but I think it's going to be a phenomenal time, and I'm excited to see Sarah because she's my boo, and we were roomies at Limelight Palooza, and it was so much fun. We learned so much about each other. But thank you, Jill. Yes, I do. And I was looking at my coats today, and I don't know. I'm going to have to wear like 3 sweaters at a time or something. We'll see. I'll be all right. All right, well, I was sort of thinking about doing makeup, but I kind of got off on my like long rant, and I think I'm just gonna end it here because that was a really good rant, right, guys? And but yeah, if you've been thinking about Limelight, if it's something that keeps popping up to you, whether I'm your beauty guide, whether Sarah or Jill or anybody else is your beauty guide, reach out because I'm telling you, it really can change your life. And it sounds so cheesy. It sounds so like, okay, yeah, you are on something. But it's the honest truth, and it comes from my heart, and I just love it. So I wish the best for all of you, and have a beautiful evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.